This is my first time checking out a smart ring, and I'm checking out the Ultrahuman Ring Air. Now, this is a very exciting one for me. I can't actually wait to see what the experience is like. I've been using a smartwatch now for quite some time, but this ring can track sleep, HRV, movement, and temperature tracking. So, let's have a look. Love that presentation. You've just got the ring smack bang right in front there. This is the ring here. So I went with the black design. You can see it's got like a see-through design in there, which is really nice. You get to see all the components inside. You got nice branding on it. It just says Ultrahuman. And this is that black design that I went with. So I believe I went with a size 11. And I don't know whether I'm going to wear it on that finger or whether I'm going to wear it, on my thumb. I have no idea. I mean, the world is my oyster at this point, right? But that's it there on the thumb. You can see it's a nice snug fit. Interesting design. It's kind of got a silvery black design. It's quite interesting. I like that. Okay, so that's how it's packaged. You've got that little ring holder there. And then it says, "Hello Cyborg." Love this. User manual. You get a lot of the details in here that you need to find out about. You've got another little quote there. Got some stickers, Ultrahuman stickers. They're actually really nice. Quite clean, like that. That little thing that I showed you before. And then it looks like we've got maybe the charger now. Yeah, so this is that interesting charging space. It's almost like a little a brick, right? A little animated brick, and then the ring just goes over the top like so, and that's how you're going to charge it up. It just snugly fits on top there, and then it's just a straight USB-C on the back. And I would imagine we would get a cable of sorts in here, or it's a really nice braided cable. Oh, that's extremely nice. If I can get into it. Oh, there's a little tab to pull out. Really nice packaging here. Super premium. And so as we get in here, oh, it looks like a long cable as well. Let's just get it completely out. Oh yeah, that's a nice long cable. Love that. Nice long cable, USB-C to USB-C. So you just charge that up, like plug that in to the USB-C on the back of the charging dock. And you can see it's just got that little logo on the dock. It's a nice simple design. I wonder whether these blocks come in different colors depending on which ring you get. I have no idea. But yeah, that's what you can expect from the unit for that whole unboxing experience. And this is the ring right here. So I believe I might wear it on that finger. That's what it looks like. Really sleek, really subtle. You'd have no idea it's a smart ring. And yeah, can't wait to see how this performs. That is what you can expect right there.